Alright, today we're going to talk about the ruby-throated hummingbird. So this is probably the hummingbird that you've all seen and known many times. This is actually the male hummingbird because it has the ruby throat patch. And it still has the green on it. But the female doesn't have that patch. It'll just have white with a few speckles on it. But you can identify it by the same green color that the male has. So we all know that they're very fast creatures. And they fly fast, you'll see them for a second, and then they're gone. That's because they can actually beat their wings 53 times in 1 second. But that doesn't stop them. They can fly upside down, backwards, and even just hover in the air by a plant that they're thinking about getting some nectar from. They're 3 to 4 inches tall. But they weigh only about 2 to 6 grams, so if you think about it, they weigh as much as 1 pixie stick, or sometimes maybe even 3 pixie sticks combined. They have to eat twice their body weight in a day because of their high metabolism from beating their wings so fast. So they're actually omnivores, which is they eat both plants and animals. So they will actually go after small bees, or mosquitoes, gnats, or fruit flies. And we'll just get them right out of the air, or we'll find a spider web and we'll pick out all of the insects from the spider web and eat them. But they also have their big, long, narrow beak, which is curved downwards, so they can get the nectar or sap from trees or flowers. You'll see them around flowers such as the morning glory, or even the honeysuckle, the jewelweed, and the trumpet creeper. And these can all be planted in gardens, and that's what we'll see mostly in gardens. But they're really attracted to the colors red and orange, so most hummingbird feeders you see, they'll have the red color to them with the red inside of the flower, because that's what attracts them. You'll find them in open woodlands, forest edges, and even meadows. And they find trees in these areas and they'll nest on the top of a branch. And they're really small. It's about 2 inches across and it's only about 1 inch deep. And how they get it to stick together is they'll find spider silk from a web and they'll take that silk and wrap it around the outside of the nests. In these nests though, they'll have 1 to 3 eggs, usually closer to 2, and they'll be white. And the female does all of the caring for the eggs. She feeds them, she will sit on them for about 2 weeks and then they'll hatch. And then it will grow and they're off. But this is just kind of a size comparison of their nest to a penny. So as you can tell, it's actually really, really small. So that covers everything that we're going to talk about for the ruby-throated hummingbird today.